Okay, we have a Knuth vertical mill drill machine, model Mark Super S, serial number 3803. It was new in 2015, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has a geared head, 3-axis didgeridoo. Right now he's running the power feed of the table. The table is 9.45 by 31.5. It's got rapid and feed to it. You have 22 inches of travel. And you can see it working there on the DRO. Also, you have the cross travel. Cross travel is 7.5. Works on the DRO. That's your vertical head movement, which is power. You can also see it on the digital readout. Vertical head moves up and down 13.8. Right now we're running the spindle, which is geared head. You have from 115 up to 3150 RPM. Going faster. Slow speed. A different speed. Machine has power feed of the quill. Right now it's moving. Machine is a number 4 Morse taper. We have a drill chuck in it now, but we also have that's tapping mode. When you reach the bottom of the stroke in the tapping mode, it reverses the spindle. There you go. Machine also has a collet chuck with collets. So it's a nice, well-equipped machine, and also you see it has a vise. Hey, thank you for watching our video.